Welcome to the video tour of the secondary core curriculum. We'll be looking at secondary social studies, math, science, and English language arts and reading. You'll notice that no matter which subject you choose, your first step will be to enter either middle or high school to select your particular course. For today, I'm going to choose physics. No matter where you are or what course you choose, you'll get this exact same screen, just with a different subject name right there. In today's training, you'll learn how you can bookmark this particular physics page, for example, so that when you return to Canvas, you can jump straight into physics instead of starting at the science homepage. No matter which course you're in, you'll have access to your yearly content documents for things like scope and sequence, vertical alignment, and assessment information. You'll notice right now that not all the documents are hyperlinked. That's because we have a busy season of curriculum writing and finishing up putting our links on all of the documents. For today, you will have mastered the learning if you're able to access your curriculum course and do some exploring so that when you return in August, you'll be confident and ready to dive into the curriculum documents themselves. You'll see a button for each 6 weeks of our school year, where you can jump in, and depending on how many units are in that particular 6 weeks, you'll see the different unit buttons. Here's an example of an Algebra 1 course where there's multiple units within a 6 weeks. No matter how many units there are, you can click the unit button where you'll be taken to Google, where that unit overview actually lives. And now what's exciting about this is that our content coordinators can update these documents quickly, and there's no delay like there was in Forethought. So whenever you click a unit overview button, you know you're getting the most recent up-to-date information. Through your unit overview, you'll have access to everything you need to deliver that unit of instruction, including your standard clarification documents, vocabulary, resources, and even suggestions for how you might deliver this instruction in your classroom. Again, you'll dive more deeply into the documents themselves in August. For today, take some time to explore and play with clicking documents and opening them and switching back and forth between your tabs. And the next steps of your training, you'll be taken through some step-by-step to help you do that. On your 6 weeks pages, you'll always have access to the English language proficiency standards, college and career readiness standards, and the technology applications for your level. Let's look next at what lives behind the discussions and collaborations buttons within your course. This will take you to the discussion board for all things involving your content area that school year. At the end of today's training, you'll have the opportunity to participate in the curriculum access and lesson planning discussion, and that should help you get to know how to use this feature a little bit better. I think you'll find it's really straightforward and it's easy to get you collaborating with your peers without too much technical expertise. You can always click Home on the left to return to the home page for your course. And again, that's going to work the same no matter if you're in English language arts and reading, math, science, or social studies. Take some time to explore today, and we'll see you back in August when all of the buttons will be activated and we'll be ready for a great school year in Birdville ISD.